Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Johanna, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Here on my channel, I do planner and planner related videos with the occasional new release video of items that I am listing to my Etsy shop. And if that is something of interest to you, please consider subscribing to my channel, hitting that little notification bell so that at any time that I do load a new video, you will be notified. And I would truly appreciate it if you give a thumbs up and share this video on the variety of platforms available. It's absolutely free and it does help my channel grow. All right, guys, so you can see a whole bunch of new envelopes that I have made, and by the time this video goes up will have been listed in my Etsy shop, although I haven't taken pictures of these, so we'll put this to the side for now. But this is where I am currently storing. So these, and I'm going to tell you, I love making these things, but storing them and keeping them together is a little frustrating. And I might have to just put these together with rubber bands because they're laminated. Eventually the paper clip just pops off and I need to be able to keep them together. And everything that you see on my Etsy shop is ready to ship. I don't make as soon as you order, they're ready to go. So I have to be able to keep these in a cohesive place as well as so they don't get damaged or ruined, because I want to send you guys quality products. But yeah, the struggle is real, guys. So anything you see in my shops, and especially in my JoJo shop, most of my things are laminated or there's lots of them. I have to store all that somewhere, and my space is very limited. So basically, this is the next big push of my cash envelopes, and then I need to sell these in order so that I can have room to make more. Because I actually have some of them ready to be laminated, but again, I have no more space to put them. So they're just going to be on hold until I get some space. But let me put this out of the way and show you some of the ones that I have available. Now I will be doing I need to keep these together. I will be doing several actual different types of envelopes. So we'll actually start with those first. And so these are the vertical envelope, so that you slide your cash in like that, and these come in a set of 5. And if you've ever wondered, I can't really recreate a lot of these because I'm just using paper pads that I've picked up either from Walmart or Amazon or that I had on hand. And once the paper is gone, the paper is gone. If I can't find the paper pack, or like this one, I believe this one my sister-in-law had sent me from, I think it's either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I can never get my hands on it again. So usually it's either 1 or 2 sets that I can do, and then that's it. It's just a very limited edition. You're never going to see them again. So that's one set. I like to sell these in sets of 5. I don't know why, I do. And they are all coordinating. So again, if you like your cash envelopes in the vertical style, that's for you, as my other ones are. The label is underneath the lamination so that you can use a Sharpie pen to write on it. And then if for any reason you ever change your cash envelope, you can use either alcohol-based hand sanitizer, use the kind that doesn't have beads in it, or you can use nail polish remover to erase it, let it dry, and then use a Sharpie to write a new category. And then this is the last set that I have that is finished. I think the browns and the baby blues are really pretty. And there's that set again. I will link the playlist, so to speak, on my Etsy shop. Basically, it's just the category that has all of these different cash envelopes in it so that you can peruse my shop to see what I still have available. So that's the vertical cash envelopes, laminated, and all of the edges are rounded so that they don't poke you. I have one set of these without the flap, and I don't know if these are going to sell, so I only made the one set, but what I've done that's a little bit different than what I've seen is I've added a little half dot of a Velcro because it is wide enough that if you wanted to punch it for a happy planner or punch it for like a Kiki K or a Carpe Diem or one of those binder ring styles, it's still big enough where you could punch it and then money would still fit. And that way, if you are keeping it in your planner, because of the little Velcro thing, and again, it's only a little half dot, then your money won't fall out. Now, I don't keep mine in my happy planner, but I thought this might be useful in that respect if you do want to use your happy planner or your ring bound system as a wallet, and then it certainly will not hold coins, so don't even go that route. But for this one, it might just be super useful because you can stick it in there and just worry if you don't have a lot of cash that it won't accidentally fall out, because you can just pinch it together and then it won't go anywhere. So I thought that would be a good idea. If it is something of interest to you guys, let me know. And also, if it is going to be like punched so that it folds and works like this, I don't know if you would write your category downwards like this, or if I should turn my label on the side. Again, I haven't seen anyone do this with the Velcro with the intention of people can punch their own either ring bound or happy planner punches in it. So let me know what you guys think. And before I forget, I'll take the dollar out because I'd like to make money from these. I don't want to send you guys the money. So these are the 5 of these that come in a set, and 5. So those are those right there. Again, I only have just the one set, just to see if there would be any interest in these, just because I don't know that anyone would be. And then these are my regular Velcro flap cash envelopes. And so this set includes these here. I think this is a really pretty set. And if I can, like I do have one of these videos up already, and most of those have sold. But I don't know if I can mark it on YouTube that they're sold, just because some of them aren't. And it's not like I have one video per release thing. So yeah, I don't know. This is the next set, and I think this is really pretty. This one has actually rose gold foiling. Again, everything's underneath the laminate. And this one I like, and I like this one really because when you open it, it says "Every day I'm hustling." That's just how the paper kind of fell, but I like that. And then this one, it's just lettering in a calligraphy style that is with rose gold foiled. As usual, the label is underneath the laminate, so you can use that Sharpie trick that I mentioned a little bit earlier. So this is one of the sets. This one was from an Amy Tangerine paper pad that my sister-in-law sent to me. And I think they're really fun. And so those are those ones there. And this one is from, I think it was, like I said, either Hobby Lobby or Michael's paper pad. And so these are all together. I think those are really fun and cute. And we've got 2 more. Now this is probably my favorite just because I love this colorway. But these are like a salmony pink color. Now some of them, like these two, have rose gold foiling, and I think it's just absolutely gorgeous, and I'm pretty sure this is it for the paper for me. These two have silver foiling, and although I know there is like a rule that you're not supposed to mix your metals, I think all of the base colors match, and so I think this looks really pretty together. I love it. And then this one, I'm just a fan of roses, so I think all of these work really well together and is one of the favorite sets that I've made so far. And I don't use these kind of cash envelopes because these won't fit in my wallet. So kind of sad panda, but you know, my loss is absolutely your guys' gain. So that's that one. Oh no, that one's popping out. I don't know where the paper clip went. Now these I'm actually going to list separately. So if you are already saving for Christmas, I thought these would be good as just an individual single purchase. So each of these, they're not a set, it's just a listing of one, but they are Christmas themed. Well, these are more so inherently Christmas, and I do have some more. I haven't had a chance to take a picture of them. This one actually is not very Christmassy at all. It's just, it was in the Christmas paper pack that I had. But I thought if you do have a cash envelope for Christmas, this would be a great decorative way to do that. Some of these, like this one, because of the pinks and blues, would be great for a birthday, I think. This one looks kind of Christmassy to me. This one is just a happy floral, although that is an ornament. I mean, you can't really tell because of the fold, but if I unfold it, you can see that that is a Christmas tree ornament. But again, it's fun. It doesn't scream Christmas, nor does this one with the gold foiled or the green foiled trees. So again, you could use this for whatever, but I did want to put some single listed items specifically for Christmas in my shop, just in case you just wanted to have a one-off for that to add to any of the other sets that I have or any of the other sets that you might have already on hand. So again, by the time this video is posted, all of these will be listed to my Etsy shop. Etsy shop is listed below. I'll have the link to the category that all of these fall under, and then you can see what I still have remaining. Thank you guys so much for your support. Of all of the ones that I listed earlier, again, I only have 2 remaining, and that is phenomenal to me. All of the purchases that you make for me, I truly appreciate, and even though I say I get them out within 3 to 5 days, I'm usually being able to send it in within at least 1 or 2. I just want to give myself a cushion just in case something happens or I get sick, or the time that you're placing your order, like on a Friday afternoon, I won't be able to get it out until possibly Monday. So I just want to give that little bit of a cushion. But yeah, guys, all of these are available. They are in my shop. Take a look. Thank you for supporting a small business. Until next time, as always, aloha.